Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing a mini Dollar Tree haul. So if you want to see what I picked up, definitely keep on watching. If you haven't been here before, my name is Stephanie and I love Dollar Tree. I do have a little bit of a problem because I do these all the time. So yeah, that's either a good thing or a bad thing, I don't know, but this is a mini haul. Again, all of the other videos that I've done from Dollar Tree, full faces, haul videos, ranking videos, everything is in that description box below. So if you want to check that out, definitely do. And if you want to see what I picked up this time around, just keep on watching. So first product I wanted to talk about are some nails. I came across these Be Pure matte fashion nails. These are the coffin shape and it comes with 12 pieces each. I mentioned before I pick up 2 to make up 24 nails just so it can have some extra ones for a different set. But basically these just looked really cute. Now I've talked about Be Pure nails before and that they're not my favorite. They don't last more than a week for me, or even a couple days, maybe like 3 days at max. They're good, and then after that they just kind of fall apart. However, these don't have a design to them, so I'm hoping that they last a little longer. And these are long, so we're gonna see how these work, but they just look so cute. They're like a powder pink shade and they just look really promising, so I hope that these actually work out for me. On the back you do get some preparation instructions, application or removal, so if you never applied press-ons, that's going to be very important for you. But these look really intriguing. Cannot wait to throw these on. This one's more on the random side, but I've been really into these like breath strips. These are from Ice Drops breath strips. Instantly refreshes breath. Comes with 24 strips in here, and I just love throwing this in my purse and just having it on the go whenever I'm feeling a little bit like if I eat onion or I eat something that just makes my breath feel weird, but I don't want to chew gum or I don't have any gum on me. This is perfect, girl. So I've been using one that I already have in my purse, but it's great to have a backup now because yes. For the lips, I bought these lip balms. These are from Salt Range, and these are the Himalayan Pink Salt Lip Balm. This is meant to moisturize the lips. This one here is in kiwi fruit, so it's meant to, it says soothing and hydrating, rich mix of vital nutrients, all the best for you. So I've tried the pink lip balm in this line and it works amazing, so I wanted to try this set out. We're gonna see how this works. It just looked really intriguing. I love the kiwis on the actual packaging, looks so nice. I saw that they added like a new scent to the hand sanitizers from Be Pure. This is a Be Pure hand sanitizer, shea butter scented antibacterial gel. So I do buy the, I believe they have a pink and a green, but I haven't seen those as of late. So I've just been seeing these new ones, and I have to say these smell amazing. I did buy one for my boyfriend's car and we've been using it, and it, girl, smells like lotion. It's so good. So I can't wait to break this one in as well. I like having hand sanitizers in my car, in my purse, wherever I can, just because you never know. But basically these look really nice. You get a whole lot of product. These are also perfect size for travel if you want to throw it in your purse or your backpack or whatever. Perfect if you're going to school, or if your kid is in school, you want to give this to them, have it in their backpack as well. It's just a perfect product. It's a nice size, nice travel size, also just works great. So definitely recommend, if you haven't tried these hand sanitizers, check them out. Also, there's a close-up look at the Salt Range lip balm. Looks like so. Actually, it doesn't have a scent to it. Interesting. All right, can't wait to use these either. So cute. Also, there's a close-up look at the Ice Drops. They're basically like little papers. You throw it on your tongue, it gives you fresh breath. So cute. We do have 2 of these Spa Luxury products. The first one is the Spa Luxury Bath and Shower Body Scrub. So I thought like this would be so cute to throw in the shower. It looks really cute. I love the color purple. As you can tell, love pink, but purple was one of my first favorite colors. And it does come with this little like suction thing that you can like throw on, you know, so it doesn't fall in the shower, and it just looks intriguing. So let's get in here. And there's a close-up look at that. As you can see, it almost looks like those like things that you use to wash your brushes. It has different little bristles on it. So this is a body scrub, so we're gonna see how this works. I'm gonna throw some body scrub on when I do my everything shower, but basically comes with like bigger bumps in the middle and then smaller ones on the ends, and again it has a little like suction thing on the back. So cool. I also came across this Spa April Bath and Shower dry brush. What is this for? I don't know. It says it helps to exfoliate skin and boost circulation on face and body. Alrighty. So another body scrubber. So there's a close-up look at that. Honestly, it doesn't feel rough. I thought it would, since it is a scrubber. It's not that rough, which I'm really liking. It's fraying just a little bit, so they're not that rough, which I'm loving. So we're gonna see how this works as well. I don't know if I've tried this product before. I hope I haven't. But this is a Be Pure Power Facial Cleansing Brush, which looks like that. And this is the only shade that I saw. So this is like a beautiful like aquamarine shade. Wish it would have been pink, but there's a look at what you get on the inside. Cool. Okay, you do get the on and off button here. Believe you put the batteries in here. Cool. And then it does come with this brush right here, so I just insert it. Cool. Okay, I remember these were all the rage a couple years ago, like these little like brushes to cleanse the face, whatever you want to do with them. But basically it says replace your brush head every 3 months, and it does come with various brush types here. You can use the cleansing brush, which is this one here, the charcoal infused cleansing brush, and then they also have a foot pumice replacement head. So this is for cleanser for your skincare. But I also saw that they had this, which I didn't even notice it was for your foot. So you're gonna be using this machine on your foot and your face? I don't know, that's weird. But I picked this up because I didn't even read it. I just grabbed it, I guess. But this is a Be Pure Foot Pumice Replacement Head, and it looks like so. So it says to replace this every 3 months. But I guess like if you want to use this as well, you just like remove the little attachment, and there you go. Interesting. All right, I'll definitely have to try this out and let you guys know in a future video my thoughts, but it looks really intriguing. Okay, girl. Also, you do need the batteries. What kind of batteries do you need? 2 AA batteries, which are not included. So that was the last product in today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, check out the playlist, which is going to be down below in the description box, as well as any other videos that I mentioned throughout this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.